Cooking outside is always a great experience, but carrying all that gear not so fun. Today we're looking at something pretty cool. It's called GrilTi. It's a titanium grill and it's on Kickstarter right now. This isn't your average backyard barbecue grill. This is for serious outdoor cooking, for camping, for hiking, for just getting out there. So what makes it special? First off, it's titanium. That's a big deal. Titanium is super strong, but it's also incredibly lightweight. You can toss this in your backpack, you won't even notice it. It's much lighter than steel or cast iron. That's a huge plus for hikers. Every ounce counts when you're on the trail. Another great feature is that it packs flat. Like really flat, it breaks down into thin pieces. These pieces fit into a compact carrying case. No bulky items, no weird shapes to cram into your bag. It's designed for portability. This is perfect for limited space. Now let's talk about cooking. This isn't just a grill, it has multiple cooking zones. You can grill your steak. At the same time, you can fry up some eggs or boil water for coffee, all over an open flame. You don't need extra pots and pans. GrilTi handles it all. The design is smart. It has a high heat transfer rate. That means it heats up fast, and it cooks evenly. No more cold spots on your food. It's made for direct flame cooking. Think campfire cooking, but with way more control. It's also super durable. Titanium doesn't rust. It won't corrode. You can use this for years. Through countless adventures, it's built to last. This isn't just about grilling meat. You can do so much more. Imagine fresh-caught fish, seared vegetables, even a pot of chili, all cooked on your GrilTi. The possibilities are endless. It's also really easy to clean. Titanium is naturally non-stick to a degree. A quick wipe and you're good to go. Less time cleaning means more time enjoying nature. What are your thoughts on GrilTi? Have you ever cooked with a titanium grill? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your camping buddies, and subscribe for more awesome crowdfunding finds. See you next time.